Hey Jupers, welcome back to Jupe District. We're smelling expensive, doesn't have to break the bank. Is any Carolina Herrera fans out there, especially Carolina Herrera Good Girl Blush fans out there? So guys, yes, great fragrance, beautiful in its own entity, bit pricey, but of course you get what you pay for, and that is a brilliant OG for Carolina Herrera Good Girl Blush. Now, I found a nice dupe for it, which is made by Emper, and the Genius range that Emper is doing at this stage is magnificent, and they do impress a lot. Now, the one I've got is Genius Blush by Emper, and this, again, beautiful, nice bottle, nice and ladylike, and of course the pink helps it a lot. Now, the spray on this is good, and then the smell is a very ladylike smell. It's beautiful. Top notes is bergamot and bitter almond, with your middle notes of peony and yang yang, and your base notes vanilla and coumarin. But don't get scared. The bergamot is not that massive in this. This is a nice flowery ladies perfume with very nice peony and yang yang notes in it, and you get that immediately supported by the bitter almond and a little bit of vanilla, which makes this, for the ladies, a great daily fragrance, and you can wear this anywhere you want. Special occasions, work. You can wear it to the gym, but it's not a nice gym fragrance for a lady, but anywhere else, it's beautiful. Longevity on this will give you a nice 6 to 7 hours, and the projection is not massive. It's not going to be, when you walk into the room, everybody smells you, because sometimes that's not what you want. This is a close-by fragrance where somebody walks past you or standing and chat to you, they can smell you very easily. Now, guys, Genius Blush by Emper, great fragrance, beautiful lady fragrance, and it's an easy blind buy any time of the day. That's Jupe District. Don't just watch the movement, be part of the movement.